Are you still struggling with financial issues? Do you want to have better control over your money in 2025? In this video, I share 5 simple but powerful strategies to help you manage your finances more effectively and build a better financial future. Stay with me until the end. Set a clear budget and track your income and expenses. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Card to manage your budget. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, rent, food bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping. 20% for savings and investments. Don't rely on a single source of income. Look for side hustles to earn extra money. Consider freelancing, selling digital products, YouTube, investing, or earning in foreign currencies. Monetize your skills, graphic design, programming, content creation. Identify and reduce unnecessary spending. Focus on real needs instead of luxury items. Take advantage of discounts and special offers to optimize your expenses. Read a book like Rich Dad Poor Dad or The Psychology of Money. Listen to podcasts and watch educational videos about finance, investing, and saving. Don't just save money. Learn how to invest and make your money work for you. Consider options like stocks, cryptocurrencies, real estate, mutual funds, or small businesses. Always research before investing and understand potential risks. Apply these 5 strategies in 2025 to take control of your money and move toward financial freedom. Which one have you tried? Comment below. If your video helped, like and subscribe to be useful now for more.